So, hi, good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening.
And how has the day been? It's like we discussed yesterday, it is such a powerful day, Mahashivratri. So, in fact, it's going to be a powerful night. So, you still have so much time, if you have not been able to do anything, do it, uh, which will, something which will really uplift you.
Yeah.
For me, it has been a power packed day. I attended a session, a training in business. So I've learned so to say business, but basically, it was about business coaching, but basically the things which I learned can be applied by anyone and everyone. And it was so wonderful. Like I was so excited, and in fact, I still remember on one of like the training started at 9 o'clock and ended at somewhere 5 o'clock, in the evening, and it was um, at the town side. So that's the reason I took so much time. But while I was writing all of this, I was thinking about all of you. That okay, what from this is am I going to share today? Truly wonderful session. But um, I want to share one thing, in fact one story with you. So again, I heard so many new amazing stories full of insight. So I just thought, let me start today, and I know it's a little late today, but let today be about this story, and then we can maybe do a discussion around it. So the story is about a person who who just goes out for a travel, a trip, yeah, and he gets lost in a forest. Yeah, so he's on a holiday, and he gets lost in a forest area, and he comes to an area where, okay, I'm going to request, I don't know who it is it Smita? 1 minute, I just mute you. Okay, so he comes to an area which is like the center of the jungle, and there is a board, so he doesn't see anybody over there, and he's like, how do I get out of this place? And he sees a board where it is written that this is the spot where after 4 o'clock all the animals come, and if you're here after 4 o'clock, please just run from here or leave from here at the speed of 350 kilometers, so that and that too in the north direction, so that you save yourself. Okay, and he's like wondering now what to do, and I don't have a vehicle, and it says 350 kilometers, which is like, he looks at his legs, and his legs are already trembling because it is almost coming to that time, and he's like even more scared that how do I do this, and I can't run. None of us can run at that speed, so he's like wondering what to do. And he starts crying, and he feels he's going to lose his life today, so he's crying that abhi main marne wala hu karke. And at that time, there's a guy who reaches there, and in his Ferrari, and he asks this man that, why are you crying? And he says that, you know what, I I can't run at the speed of 350 kilometers. So I just feel that I'm going to lose my life. So he said, don't worry, I have a Ferrari, so we can go in, like we can rush out of this place in uh, at the speed of 350 kilometers. That's just not a problem. But because I'm going to be saving your life, I want you to give me a check of one, so 1.5 crore ka 1.5 crores, because I'm going to be saving your life. So he's like, what nonsense is this? I'm in such a bad state, and you are asking for money from me. So he says, yeah, because I'm saving your life. So you have to give me 1.5 crore ka check, or tabhi you can sit in my car. So because the man is like so miserable. He says chalo theek hai, I will give you 1.5 crore, but like save my life. And he says okay, then sit in the car. So he sits and he's still crying कि मतलब मर जाते थे ऐसे, and he says now don't worry, we'll start. And that is the same time when there's a woman who comes there, and she asks that kahan ja rahe ho, what is it? So he says that look, this has happened and I was stuck here, and the board says that you have to now move out of this place, and the only way we can move out of this place is if I sit in this Ferrari and leave, because only Ferrari has that kind of speed that it can save my life. All right, so that's the reason, but I have to give him 1.5 crore, 1.5 crore, and which I am giving. And so that's how I'm saving my life. So she says that, oh, okay. So she asks the Ferrari guy that, so do you know which direction is north? So he is stunned and he's like, I don't know. So she says, the board says you have to go at 350 kilometers in the north direction. So the man starts crying again. Oh God, you don't know where is the north. So where will we go? Because what is the point? I'm giving you 1.5 crores and you don't know where is north. So what is the point going at that 350 kilometers? Because if we go in a wrong direction, we are going to be jacked. So what is it? So she says that, okay, I can save both your lives. So both of you are that 1.5 crore ka check has to come to me. And she tells this Ferrari guy that you also have to give me 1.5 crores. And because you have done this to this man when he was in this state, so you तुम्हारे लिए penalty है, ये Ferrari भी मुझे ही देनी है. Okay, so then I'm going to save all three of you because I have the compass and I know which direction is north. All right. Moral of the story. What do you think? What is your learning from the story? ट्राई करो, जनरली बहुत बात करते चलो.
जैसे को तैसा.
अच्छा, okay, this is one moral of the story. जैसे को तैसा. Okay.
Story was very interesting.
Kirti, what did you say? I
खुद
didn't
पे ही
hear.
भरोसा करना चाहिए किसी और से ज्यादा.
Uh,
I said that we must trust on ourselves first.
okay, if that's what you feel. Okay, which is, but then right now in this story,
Trust factor.
okay, you're looking at trust, you're looking at khud pe bharosa. I'm asking you a question. In life, what is important? Speed or direction?
Rather than speed, direction, correct direction is important. If speed is a little bit कम ज्यादा है ना तो चल जाएगा. But only speed doesn't matter. What matters is the correct direction.
Absolutely.
Correct direction.
So somebody who had the compass could know. So that is where that was the game changer. Because if we don't know which direction we want to go, we are going to, stray from our path. We can just go, like I can keep going around, yeah, वहाँ and फिर वापस मैं अपनी जगह पे आ जाऊंगी because I don't have a direction. I will be like a driftwood. So if you've seen a driftwood in the sea, मतलब वो एक वेव की थपेट से वो इधर चला जाएगा, वो दूसरी वेव की थपेट से वो उधर चला जाएगा. It will just keep going places, but it will not reach to any destination per se, or it can just reach to any shore, but it may not have his own destination only to reach. And so basically it is about one that you must know which way, what is the path. Yesterday we were discussing about the purpose and things, when Kirti said that अगर I have been constantly saved, मैं मरते मरते इतनी बार बची हूँ. So yeah, read instructions properly before participating, Sushila writes. Yeah, and not just read, but also think appropriately. So that's what I just felt, that there are times when we want to manifest something, or when we want things to happen in our life, we just look at the speed, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा, we want it to speed up. But the direction, we can just go in a wrong direction and we can just manifest something, uh, I don't know what, it could be something really awful. We wouldn't even realize. So it's so important for you to have a clarity. Where do you want to go really? एग्जैक्टली कहाँ जाना है, एंड वो पहले तय करो कि एग्जैक्टली कहाँ जाना है. फिर वहां जाने के चार रास्ते सोचो, प्लान ए, प्लान बी, प्लान सी, प्लान डी. Have various options of reaching to that place. Because if one, okay, I also give you one more very nice story which I heard today. So this is about somebody, so an Indian man, working with the working with a Japanese man, and he got to know that the Japanese, they always have like 3 4 options of working. So if they are working on a project, it will be, अगर मुझे ये हासिल करना है या ये गोल रीच करना है, ये प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेसफुल होना है, तो मैं इस तरीके से करूंगा. दैट इज वन. फिर अगर ये नहीं चला, इसमें भी कुछ गलती होगी, तो मैं भी दूसरे तरीके से करूंगा. ये भी नहीं चला, तो मेरे लिए दिस इज द थर्ड थिंग आई विल हैव टू डू. तो मे बी आई विल हैव टू जस्ट गिव अप ऑन दिस और मॉडिफाई दिस और वट एवर, एंड देन देयर विल बी अ फोर्थ थिंग. या. And he said that the Indians are the only ones who have one plan, and they just don't, they get into things unplanned. They just get very excited कि अरे ये प्रोजेक्ट ये है, ये बहुत बड़ा होगा, this that वगैरह, and they just get into the project because that time it is very exciting. Yeah. And I just realized that, yeah, there are so many times I do this. I have an idea and I feel, oh, this is going to just rock, and I don't have a blueprint, I don't have a proper plan. Like if you have to go for a tour, या अगर आपको शिमला कुल्लू मनाली जाना है, तो आपका टूर ऑपरेटर आपको बताता है कि दिस इज द डायरेक्शन, आपको मैप भेजता है, आपको आइटिनरी भेजता है कि आपको यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंचना है, यहाँ जाके आपको ये मिलेगा, यहाँ ये कुछ नहीं मिलता है तो आपको ये कैरी करना पड़ेगा. Just think of this कि हम एक ट्रिप के लिए we have this plan and we think about projects, we think about dreams, goals, wishes, visions, and we don't have our plans ready to even कि कहीं जाके ये चीज नहीं मिली, ये नहीं अगर हुआ तो मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. We don't think about that. So I really felt that this was such a valuable lesson कि to have those blueprints ready. And again, maybe somewhere as a nation हमारे में DNA में वो थोड़ा ये होगा. Like we know that the Japanese people, that is another thing which I've always heard about the Japanese. Like they are so particular about time, so particular about time. If they are saying 5:20, it is going to be 5:20 when they are going to be there, and it will not be 5:21, it will not be 5:25. So if we can learn these things from all these people, and so like today when I came back, I have got so many ideas in my head. Because imagine I was in an 8 hours cut training, all right, and it's been so inspiring. So this is definitely one thing that have your directions clear. आपने कल भी जो भी सोचा है, या आपके we have been saying these things that this, of course I will get this anyway. तो वो मिलने के लिए भी have your plans in place. You be very sure that you're going to get it. Yeah, but if you're working on it, might as well work with a complete awareness of what can happen, so that if that challenge comes, you're able to overcome that challenge, and you will still keep moving ahead. Nahi to kya hota hai, after a period of time, I'm so sorry for the disturbance of the mic and stuff which is happening around here in the neighborhood. So yeah. So the thing is, we want to manifest so much. We have goals, wishes, visions, desires, and we don't have a proper plan that this is how I'm going to work on this in these 4 ways. और ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुआ तो मैं उसको कैसे modify करने वाली हूँ, and what is the new thing I can add or expect or whatever, and उसके लिए भी क्या challenge हो सकते हैं. So clearly I'm just coming back कि speed say important is the direction. We have to have a clear cut direction and a blueprint. So now take your time and maybe choose one thing for yourself. It can be anything. It can be something as simple as a public speaking, या मुझे कोई speech देना है, या anything. It can be anything. Take your own one goal which you want to work on and see if you can have few steps to it, see if you can have alternatives to it. Yeah, take this time and maybe at least start the thought process. If you feel like sharing, do the sharing here. So maybe we'll all pitch in to say that, okay, you could do this, you could also do this, or so something like that, or there are different ways of doing it. So anybody who wants to right now just come up with maybe one wish, goal, vision, desire, anything which we can take up as an example. And we'll also start looking at it as डायरेक्शन एज अगेंस्ट स्पीड, बिकॉज बहुत बार हमारे दिमाग में होता है कि ये 1 साल में होना चाहिए, 2021 में होना चाहिए, ये ऐसा. सो वी आर लुकिंग एट द स्पीड दैट इन दिस स्पीड दिस शुड गेट डन. बट देन इफ यू हैव अ क्लियर प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन और उससे रिलेटेड प्लान, तो आई थिंक इट विल एनीवेज गेट डन. And it might just get done earlier also, not necessarily when we have planned. Because if we are, if we believe in anything is possible, anything can be possible anytime. Not necessarily if I'm saying September, तो September वो जुलाई में भी हो सकता है, या अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ December, तो ऐसे नहीं है कि if I'm really thinking, absolutely without any self doubt, जब कोई भी डाउट ही नहीं है, वो बट अंदर नहीं आया है कि आई वॉन्ट टू बी वेइंग 70 kgs बट आई हैव अ स्वीट टूथ, इट्स गॉन. So that means you yourself know कि because of your sweet tooth you are not going to be able to reduce your weight. So that means it is already, the doubt has already come and the work is not happening. So take one thing which we could actually maybe just do it like a role play or do discussion here, so that you fine tune it tonight before you again sleep and visualize and give energy to that.
I want to clarify, it's
Yes,
like
okay.
something we are wishing for to happen, or little bit I'm confused.
So anything which is on your goals list, on your vision board, on your dreams, desire ka list, that this is something I want. It could be like what you said, the number of subscribers which you want for your channel, or it could be the money which you want to earn, or it could be the number of videos that which you want to, I'm now right now talking with you, as a focus. So it could be anything. So something which, see, all of us have goals and wishes and dreams and desires. Sometimes they are not written, but then we have them in our head. So right now I'm just saying, from your head, bring it up so that you actually write it down and fine tune it, and then maybe we can think of various ways also. So
Okay, in that case, it's like I actually want to interact with the students. Till now, in my videos and all comments and all, by my friends, relatives, like that. So once the students like interact with me, I'll get a new clear idea that what exactly I have to do for them, like that. But still now, this has not happened, I can say.
So basically, now are you thinking of how to interact with students, or what is it?
No, that my videos are spreading. I know that the children are watching, but still now nobody has like interacted with me on the channel through it. Only my friends or relatives, I can say, only they have like commented. So I have a picture in mind, and actually I have got a picture also which I have kept, that my students, or I can say my online students, or who are watching these videos, they have.
And how do you want them to interact with you?
By now they can interact through YouTube or Facebook.
So as in you want them to interact with you through that comment below
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
video,
that's the
or you
only
want to?
channel
Huh.
I can say, but as far as I can see now. So
Okay.
these two channels are the only thing where I can.
So now tell me one thing. What can you do to make them interact with you? What is the plan which you have so that the children start interacting with you?
Till now exactly nothing as such. Through the videos I try to
Fabulous.
like
I
tell
love
them.
this. I think you would know it. I call this a good mistake. This is really a good mistake because from this mistake we are all going to learn. So she has a channel, Mazedar Math. She's doing wonderful job. She wants children to be interacting there, and she doesn't have a plan how to. Okay, we are just doing perfect. Okay, what if after that वीडियो ऑफ योर्स नीचे इन द कंटेंट और व्हाटएवर जो कमेंट जहां होता है नीचे वहां
Yeah.
पे आप लिखो कि यू नो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन एंड फॉर चिल्ड्रन हु आंसर मी आई विल एक्नॉलेज देम इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो और टेक देम on the screen. They will get a chance to join me on the YouTube. So do you think children will, like parents will tell अच्छा तू भी आंसर कर, तू भी आंसर कर?
I tried this in one video actually, but I didn't get any response, and then I didn't actually continue with it. That's
Yeah,
it.
so because it is
Yeah.
about doing it every time consistently,
I like
like
to.
you know, again, see, I'm
Hmm.
absolutely new to this whole field, but I'm now learning. I'm learning that every video you must say this, that you know, like and subscribe my channel and interact and all of that. So if this is the thing which you want children to, you have to keep the contest on in every video. You have to keep the scope open for them to answer. You have to create some kind of a carrot gajar jo dikhaoge, so that children are, you know. So it is, right now I'm seeing, but if anyone else has an idea, please say, because this is just one plan. This is plan A, that I am saying that ask a
At
question,
least.
interesting question or whatever, and say I'm going to mention this or take you in my next video, whoever's answer is right. That is one way. Can anybody else give another idea? Just say that.
Excuse me, may I?
1 minute, I'm adding you so that you also come into the picture. Yes, Vishaka, what can she do?
Actually, it is related with what you said only, Shilpa ma'am. I have experienced it with my daughter. Whenever she watches some kind of maths video, na, there are at the end a question, a riddle type question, especially a tricky question. And only one line is there coming along with the question. Ki comment the answer, only that much. And I have seen her earlier, she was not so much used to comment, but now she has started. So it
So
took
that
that
means you have to do
time.
it regularly.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
That is required. And second, like if you are not putting it in comment box, instead if it is put in that video only, that will get more interaction with children. It will be
Wonderful.
connected with the complete video.
So plan A could be putting it in the video and asking for whatever this question is an answer. Plan B can be that you are saying that those who get the answer right, all of them, you send your picture, or you know, that can be plan B, that you send your picture and there will be a mention in the next video where you know उनका picture और ये सब लोगों ने आंसर दिया था, तो top 5 के pictures आएंगे. The third can be that you actually get to interact with me, and when I'm doing a math quiz or something related to math, and you are the children whom I'm going to bring in the video, so that you know, everybody gets to see that how enthusiastic you are about math. So right now we have got 3 plans, Sushila.
Thank you so much, really. Because what's happening now, I'm not doing it regular basis, I can say. There is a gap in between because of some reasons. So, but I have already planned more videos, but I have not made it yet. But what happened that again and again, I am having that feeling कि बच्चों को पसंद आ रहा है कि नहीं, वो effective हो रहा है कि नहीं. What exactly is my concept is that the children should understand the concept instead of rote learning. That is happening or not, means at least one
So
example.
also,
I'll get
I think the
something.
fourth thing which is coming to me is if you can open up something for parents, that you know, what do parents think about the children, and so the child and the parents will be a part of like an interactive session where they will say that this is what my child is liking, this is what I have seen my child enjoy, something like that. So that also, I'm just reading what Rashmi has written. She's written, give the first 3 to 5 winners a free math session for 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Yeah, I would love to do that.
Yeah, so
Surely.
something which they can choose like a common topic, or you choose the topics, and out of that जो भी एक जिसको ज़्यादा vote मिलते हैं, you're going to do that session with them. That will be even more wonderful. Look at the number of plans and ideas coming up.
Yeah,
Lovely.
or if you don't mind, you know what I mean, she can also, if you have any other number to give, you know, you can say we can interact on WhatsApp also, because you make groups there and a lot of
Okay.
people can come and ask you questions personally, because it's a group. So maybe, you know, you can get a lot of people like that, and like with references people keep adding. That could be, because like like, because I'm a parent now, I can tell
Yeah.
you, with you know, her school group, it
Okay.
happens, you know, if there's something like, for example, um they have something or the other, some activity or the other, you know, so half the parents will not even bother, but when they
Hmm.
start sending out messages and make a group, at least
Hmm.
you see what
Yeah.
is it in. And many students enrolled in some activity also, so that could be one. That is what I could think
That's
of.
a good idea, really. Yeah. Never thought of it.
Wonderful.
Thanks. Really.
Thank
Yeah.
you. So this is,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, this was a good demo, I think, for us to, finalize, figure out कि करना तो है, we that's how it is. We say कि मुझे ये करना तो है, I want to see this, but we don't have a plan, we don't have a blueprint, we don't have various plans, and that's what we just did, together. And this is so wonderful. Any other wish, goal, dream, desire? Do if we can take, like, we could take just one more. And while you are all thinking, I want to just share that, like, some of you know that last year I did this course for children. It was called BIC. It was build your self-esteem through art. Yeah, that is something I did. I think now the holidays have begun, right? I wanted to like get an idea from all of you. So if the holidays have begun, I think this will be a good time for the children to enroll in by C2 maybe. So just oh my god, one mother shouting there. So now all of you help me, okay? Because since we are doing this, so the plan is I want to do something with children to build their self-esteem through art. What are the different things I can do with children? And like, tell me the duration, tell me the days, tell me the times which will be, because so many of you are parents, so many of you are teachers. How would it work? So you have to now give me like 4 plans for me to complete this goal of mine.
I think, Shilpa, one thing you can do is, because Aditi is also one parent and I'm one of them. So you can ask the kids who did BIC one, you know, and ask them what more do you
They
want to
have
do.
already told me, so that one plan is ready with me. The last
Uh,
last
well,
group of kids have
oh
all
yes,
told
they
me
were
what.
telling
You
you. That's
remember?
right. That's
They
right.
have
That's right.
already told me what to do next, so that is ready.
Wow.
What else? Chalo, thank you so much. But that plan A is in place, so it just reminds me that plan A is in place. If
Nothing like BIC, I can tell you.
okay, I want to hear plan B, C, D. Rashmi has a deep desire to take the parents to Ladakh at the soonest. I think I'll take it with you in person, uh, because we wouldn't have so much time right now. I just, yes, anybody who would like to give me an idea.
As
Right.
now vacation is beginning, so online you can take it in April and
That
after
it
exam. So
has it.
student will
So
also
the
feel
last
very
time also it has been online only. I'll be taking it online only. I'm asking you what can be done, because BYSEA, so it is BYSEA. Okay, the full form is build your self esteem through art. Okay, so we it lasted for I think 2 months, and like we did an activity where there was a lot of innovation thinking, reflection, creativity, all inclusive. And it really built it, like in spite of the fact that we did it online and there were like kids from all over the country in that course. All of them on the last day put up like an annual program. They all, they presented such beautiful things. They presented PowerPoint presentations, songs, dance, playing of a piano, then asking riddles, telling jokes. There was so sharing their art. One of them created a video out of it. So they did such amazing things, and that really, really boosted their self-esteem. Is something I know. And so, just giving you a background. So, okay, I can see that we are running out of time. So, what we could do is, if you girls remember, send me the whatever ideas. If you girls can think of something, but this this I just opened up quickly. I'm taking Rashmi's wish. So she has a deep desire to take her parents to Ladakh at the soonest. So Rashmi, tell me, what is your plan for this?
For me, it is right now, as soon as things get back, as in it's safe and weather conditions are okay,
Hmm.
book them and on the at the earliest flight and take them
Hmm.
probably for at least like a 10-day trip.
Hmm. So that is like clear cut that, when the things open up. Till then, is there something you can do which will create the same frequency, or which will open up the things for actual things to happen?
I can start planning the itinerary.
That is one. So that's so your plan A is actually when it opens, you are going to take them physically. That is one. Plan B is you can start planning the itinerary and stuff. Is there any other plan?
Yeah, you can.
Check with people who've been there, do's and don'ts, what
Okay.
not to miss.
That would be a plan B only. जो तुम itinerary plan करोगे उसी में ये भी हो जाएगा. I think if you could do this, because this is something which I in the recent times I've started feeling that with this whole COVID thing, travel and tourism has literally got a huge hit. What if, okay, so Anu is saying start shopping, all right, so that again will be a part of her part B, plan B. But I feel that if you can actually arrange, have some time with them where you arrange for a proper film, of actually going there and going through, like, this is how they go, this point they reach, from here they, that what it is going to do is it is going to make them also start the visualization that if when they are there, what will happen. So this is the lake, this is the Pangong lake, and this is what is done, this is, so when they start seeing the places there, the pictures there, the food there, the amazing things there, and this was the weather, and this is the kind of clothes you have to wear. They're going to start actually mentally preparing that they they are there. Yeah. So that will automatically ignite the visualization for them. And in the same plan or as a separate plan, what you could do is you actually start visualizing that this is happening, you know that they are planning, the bags are packed, you put all the things inside the bag, the camphor and the dry fruits and stuff, because that's what you need there. Yeah. So, and of course so many more things, but that's how you could actually start visualizing that the bags are packed, you have dropped them to whatever the airport is, or whatever the group is, and how does it make you feel right now? Yeah. So just, actually start thinking of that, and that they are sending pictures from there, they are making video calls from there. Then they are saying that, okay, tomorrow we are going to be in a no network area, the first 2 days we are here acclimatizing, so we are, at the Leh market and we are shopping right now, so this is what I've picked up for you. And I give you addition to that, and that in Ladakh they are buying me a singing bowl so that they bring it back for me. So,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, we just look at the number of things which we can do for this thing, because otherwise we'll be stuck in feeling that my parents, I want to take them to Ladakh and it is not happening because COVID is still there.
Yeah,
Instead
and
of,
then
yeah,
sorry. And there are people who arrange tours and travels. Many people who arrange everything
yeah.
properly. That also is a good thing.
So actually talking to those people and asking them what are their plans and stuff. So
And
yeah,
for
so that
pictures, you
plan
can
B
use
can include
Photoshop.
all of these things, what Sushila said, what Anu said. So where it is like literally thoda background काम कर लेना. So that is B.
And using Photoshop, you can make a picture and just visualize that also is a good
Like
idea.
make a proper vision board of
Mhm.
them in Ladakh. We have Pinterest Jindabad, so you could actually do it,
Yeah.
and that will be so wonderful. So yeah, how's it? That's
Thank you.
good.
Thank you.
Lovely. So basically, we are now, winding up by understanding that the direction is important. We have to have our direction in place and we have to have our plans in place for achieving anything. Let's not only bank on one plan. Let's, I've been saying, of course, I mean, I don't know how it is, but then, अगर plan A fail होता है तो alphabet में 26 letters है तो हम 100% 26 plans रख सकते हैं. B है, C है, D है, E है, E fail होता है तो F है, G है. So we can go on, yeah. So yeah, but that's what it is. All right, thank you so much for joining, and
Thank
this
you.
was nice. This was really nice. I'm
So,
just so happy to meet all of you after this session. Yeah, chalo then. Bye. Good
Thank
night.
you.
bye.
Bye. Good
Bye.
night.
I'll
Bye
see you all
bye.
Bye.
tomorrow.
Bye. Good
Bye
night.
bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Happy Shri Ram.